welcome again to another edition of my new YouTube channel. Thanks for all my subscribers, thanks for all the likes, thanks for all the comments. Well, hi guys, and welcome back again to another episode of my YouTube channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. In today's video, I will be doing a retwist after a fresh wash. So here I am just looking at the hair, trying to section it. We weren't using any oil, just water, but then I told him he need to add the oil because it promotes hair growth. And in this video, I am using my own brand of hair growth oil, which will be available soon. So I'm only using water and my hair growth oil. So as you can see here, what I am doing, I am just sectioning the hair bit by bit and adding the oil to the scalp as I go. So I'm just adding the oil in the parts of between the locks so that I can moisturize the scalp, and this will promote hair growth of the lock. So I have started his lock journey for him. In the beginning, I crocheted the locks for the first time I was doing it. But I rarely use crocheting now. I just use my finger to twist the locks. So I'm still adding oil to all the scalp, getting it into every inch of the scalp as I can. So as you can see, his hair is coming on lovely. It has been under a year since he has started his lock journey, and I am the one that did it for him. So what I'm doing now, I am just massaging the hair growth oil. I'm massaging it into the scalp, and as you can see, it's a bit relaxing for him because it seems as if he's closing his eyes and relaxing. So I'm just massaging, I should say. I'm just massaging the hair growth oil into the hair. So what I'm about to do now, I'm just using a tail comb just to help me with parting the locks for it to be, a bit more neat and uniform. So I'm just using the tail comb to separate the loose hair from the new growth, and I will be just getting it straight as I can so that the locks can be looking good. So guys, stay tuned while you see what I will be doing. So as I said, I'm separating the lock. I had to do this here. I did this here at 4 a.m. I was so tired when I was doing his hair, but he had a photo shoot to go and do. So he wanted his hair to be done so he can go to the barber and get it all lined up properly so that he'll be able to go and do his photo shoot. So I just use a rubber band to pull some of the hair together so that it will not be interfering, it will not be in the way of when I start. So what I'm doing now, I'm just using my finger to twist the hair around. I only use the tail comb to comb the new growth a bit just to get all the hair together and to help with the partings. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just using the tail to get the parting as neat as I can and just to give the new growth to to get all the hair together. So that's what I use the comb to do. And then I proceed with my fingers to do the hair. So guys, I'm gonna put in a bit of music and you can just watch what I'm doing, and then I will come back and I will try and explain to you more. Remember to like the video, remember to share and subscribe. It's free. It's free to subscribe, guys. So just watch me as I do a retwist on his locks. So I have finished with the retwist, and I didn't bother to put him under the dryer because, as I said previously, it was really late. So we finished the retwist and I am now removing the hair clips so that I will be able to style the hair how he says he wants it. So he wanted a barrel twist. So this is how I do my barrel twist. So I take two of the lock, I twist them together. Then as you can see, I take another lock and I twist it around those two in the other direction. Then I'm taking another lock and I'm twisting it in the opposite direction of what I just did. And I'm gonna continue to do this throughout the hair. So to get this style, what I had to do them in rows of 2 because he wanted four rows. So I did 2 rows of the twist together in order to get the achieved look of one of the barrel and to get the size that I needed in order to do it in 4. So that's the first I'm now completing the first row of how I do my barrel twist. Guys, you can slow down the video if you want to see more details, or you can pause and do the video slowly. So I'm at the end, I'm almost at the end of doing this first barrel. So I'm using the last lock for this row and I'm twisting it around the hair. And what I do to hold the hair in place, I put rubber bands at the end of the arm. I put rubber band on the end of the lock to keep it from not unraveling. So that is the first row that is completed, and I'm just applying the rubber band to the end of the lock. So I am now attempting to do the second barrel, and I've said before I use 2 rows of the arm of the lock, 2 rows, put them together in order to get one of the barrel lock because he wanted 4. So this is how I go about doing it. So as I said before, I twist the lock and I then twist them around each other. That's what I'm doing here with the first 2 lock at the front. And then I'm now going to take another lock and take it over that lock in the opposite direction. And I'll be doing this all the way down to the end of I'll be doing this all the way down to the end of the lock. So I'm just going from side to side in order to get the right angle of doing the hair. So I'm just going from bit to bit, trying to make sure that it comes out the way that I want it to come out. So I am now doing the second barrel. I'm now doing the second row of the barrel, and as I said before, he wants 3. So I'm taking the lock around in one direction, and then I take another bit of the lock and I will go around that lock in the opposite direction. So let's continue to watch it and see as I proceed. Remember to like, share and subscribe. So I have come to the end of the barrels. I'm just doing the last bit of lock. I'm just wrapping that bit around the end. No, it's not the last. Oh, that's the last piece. Okay, I have the last piece and I'm wrapping it in the opposite direction, and I have come to the end of the barrel twist, and I'm very proud of how it came out. I think it looks great. Yeah, I think it looks great, guys. It came out really, really well. So remember to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. We shall see. Oh, that is lovely. And he's gonna get his hair cut, and it's gonna be nice when he gets his line up. That is how it looks. So I'm quite happy with how it came out. And normally when he does this style, it lasts him for a long time, maybe 4 weeks. This style will last, so maybe 6 weeks it will last, and then I will then do it over again. So guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe for more. I